Hey maths enthusiast, welcome back to my channel Vedic Maths Tricks with B. Guneet. Today we will be delving into another fascinating realm of Vedic maths, and our spotlight is on the new division technique, that is division by flag and pole method with remainders. And if you're new around here, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share button and join us for a complete detailed course on Vedic maths. This trick is an extension to the previous division trick, that is division by flag and pole method. The only difference is that the answer will leave remainders. This method will make you understand all the aspects of division of this method. So now let's understand by taking examples. So here the first question is 3759 divided by 25. So here we will not take the divisor as 25. We'll consider 2 as a pole and 5 as a flag. Now let's write the number. So it will be 3759. Now here we'll write the divisor, that is 2 with the flag 5. Now here we write the quotient. Now since in flag we have one digit, so we'll leave one digit from the right and put a partition. So this part will be considered the remainder part. Now let's start the division. Now 3 will be divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2. So we'll write quotient over here 1 and minus 2 over here. So here we get 1 as a remainder. Now this one will go over here, so it will be considered 17. Now this quotient will be multiplied by the flag. So 1 5s are 5, so minus 5 we get 12. Now this 12 we get as the next divisor. So here we will divide 12 by 2. Now 2 6 are 12, so it's going fully by 6. 6 here over here and minus 12. So here we get 0 as the remainder. So we'll write 0 over here. Now 6 5s are 30. So minus 30, as we can see that we're getting minus 25 as the next divisor. So we cannot take here divisor as negative. So here we'll not go by 6, we'll take a lesser number, that is 5. So we'll erase this and we'll try with 5 as a quotient. So here 5 2s are 10, so minus 10. We get 2 as a remainder. So 2 will go over here. Now we will multiply 5 by 5, which gives you 25. So minus 25, we get 0 as the divisor. Now it will go by 0 only. So 0 2s are 0. So we'll write 0 over here and 0 over here. So we get 0 as the remainder. Now 0 5s are 0. So next divisor we get as 9. Now this part will go in the remainder part. Now here we'll put a decimal. So here 2 4s are 8. So minus 8 we get 1. So 1 we'll write over here and we'll imagine 0 over here as we've put a decimal. So 0 over here. So 4 5s are minus 20. But here we cannot take minus. So we will try by 3. So cross 4, it will go by 3 and erase all this. So here 3 2s are 6. So minus 6, we get 3 as a remainder. 3 will go over here. 3 5s are 15. So minus 15, we get 50 as a new divisor. But we are here taking up to one decimal place only. So the final answer we get is 150.3. So now let's take another example to understand this method better. Now here the next question is 92943 divided by 62. So here also 6 will be considered as a pole and 2 will be considered as a flag. Now let's write the digits, that is 92943. Now make a partition. Here we are writing the divisor 6 and 2 as a flag, and here we'll write the answer or the quotient. Now since we have single digit in the flag, so we will leave one digit from the right and put a partition line. So this part will be the remainder part. Now let's try. 9 will be divided by 6. So it will go by 1. So 1 6 are 6. So minus 6. We get 3 as a remainder. Now this 3 will go over here. Now 1 2s are 2, so minus 2 we get 30 as the next divisor. So now it's going by 5. 6 5s are 30, so we'll write 5 over here and minus 30. So here we get 0, so 0 over here now. Now this 5 will be multiplied with the flag, that is 2, so 5 2s are 10, so minus 10. Now here also we're getting a negative number. So the divisor cannot be negative here. So here we will try by 4. So cross 5 and we will divide by 4. So now erase this. Now 4 6 are 24. So minus 24. We get 6 as a remainder. Now 6 will go over here. Now we will multiply 4 by 2, that is flag. So 4 2s are 8. So minus 8 gives you 61. Now it will go by 10. 10 6s are 60. But we can only take single digit in the quotient. So it will go by 9. So 6 9s are 54. So minus 54. Here we get 7. So 7 will come over here. Now 9 2s are 18. So minus 18 we get 56. So our next divisor is 56. So it is going by 9. 9 6s are 54. So 9 over here and 54 over here. So here we get 2 as the remainder. Now 2 will go over here. So it will be 23. Now this 9 will be multiplied with the flag, that is 9 2s are 18. So minus 18. The next divisor we get is 5. Now here we've come into the remainder part. So we'll put a decimal over here. Now 5 is smaller than 6, so it will go by 0. So 6 zeros are 0. We get 5 over here. We'll assume 0 over here as we've put a decimal. So it will be 50. So 0 2s are 0 again. So we get 50 as the next divisor. Now 6 8s are 48. So it is going by 8. 48. Now we get 2 over here. So here also again we can assume 0. So 0 over here and 2 over here. So now 8 2s are 16. So it's going by 16. So we get 4 again as the remainder. So we'll stop here at the 2 decimal place only. So the final answer we get is 1499.08. Now let's take another example to completely understand this method well. So here the question is 864325 divided by 57. So here also 5 will be considered as a pole and 7 will be considered as a flag. So now let's write the digits 864325. Now write divisor here 5 with the flag as 7. And here we'll write the answer. Since we have single digit in the flag, so we will leave one digit from the right hand side and put a partition over here. This part will be the remainder part. Now let's start the question. So first of all, 8 will be divided by 5. So it will go by 1. So 1 5s are 5. Now we get 3 as a remainder. Now this 3 will go over here. So it will be 36. Now this 1 will be multiplied with the flag, that is 7. So 1 7s are 7. So minus 7 we get 29 as the next divisor. Now it's going by 5. 5 5s are 25. So minus 25 we get 4 as a remainder. Now 4 will go over here. Now this 5 will be multiplied with the flag, that is 7. So 5 7s are 35. So minus 35 over here. We get 9 as the next divisor. Now again it's going by 1. So 1 5s are 5. Now we get 4 as the remainder. So 4 over here. Now we'll multiply this 1 by the flag. So 1 7s are 7. So here we get 36 as the next divisor. Now it's going by 7. 5 7s are 35. So minus 35 we get 1 as a remainder and 1 will go over here. Now here this 7 will be multiplied by the flag, that is 7 7s are 49. Now as we can see that the next divisor is coming negative. So we cannot take a negative divisor. So here 7 will not be multiplied by 5. We will take a smaller number. We will cross 7 and try with 6. Now we will erase this. Now here 6 5s are 30. So minus 30 we get 6 as a remainder. Now 6 will go over here. Now 6 7s are 42. So minus 42 we get 20 as a next divisor. 20 is completely going by 4. 5 4s are 20 minus 20. So here we get 0 as a remainder. So 0 over here. Now 4 7s are 28. Since again we are getting a negative sign in the next divisor, so we will try by 3. We'll cross 4 and we'll try by 3. Now let's erase this. So 3 5s are 15. So minus 15, we get 5 as a remainder. Now 5 will go over here. Now this 3 will be multiplied with the flag, that is 7. So it will be 3 7s are 21. So minus 21. Now we get 34 as the next divisor. But this part is coming in the remainder part. So we'll put a decimal over here. So it's going by 6. 5 6 are 30. So minus 30 we get 4 as a remainder. Now since we have put a decimal, so we can assume 0 over here. So it will be 40. 6 7s are 42. So it's again a negative sign. So we cannot go. So we'll try with 5. So cross this and try with 5. Now erase this. So now 5 5s are 25. So minus 25 we get 9 as a remainder. So 9 we'll write over here. So 5 7s are 35. So here we get 55 as the next divisor. Now again we can try for one more decimal place. So here it's going by 11. 5 11s are 55. But we cannot take 2 digits. So we'll try with 9. So 9 over here. 9 5s are 45. So here we get 10 as the remainder. Now again we can assume 0 over here as we put a decimal. So 9 7s are 63. So here it will be 100 and minus 63. So here we get remainder as 37. So we are trying up to 2 decimal places only. So the final answer we get is 15163.59. This method is very easy but requires lot of practice. So please practice this trick thoroughly and get away with the hassle of trying hit and trial method of division. And if you want practice question book, then please WhatsApp me on the number given on the screen. And please guys, hit the like, subscribe and share button to motivate us in making more such learning content for you guys. And please share your suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.